Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's session, I am going to explain about exploratory data analysis with Python, cost, sales, prediction data set. Let me go to the topic. See, today I am going to explain about core data set EDA topic. Today's agenda: introduction, problem statement, description, packages, data pre-processing, exploratory data analysis, observations and conclusions, actionable insight. Let me see what is the introduction. This is the core sales data set, which include information about different cores. This data set is being taken from the analytics labs for the purpose of prediction. In this, we have to see two things. First, we have to see which feature has more impact on core sales and carry out result of this. Prediction: in this, we have to see two things. First, we have to see which feature has more impact on core sales and carry out result of this. Let me see what is problem statement. About this data set, sales announcements with multiple information. See, like this will conclude everything, each and every topic. Let me see. Description. See, what is description in our data set? These are the columns we have to conclude in our data set. See, first thing is manufacturer, model, sales in thousands, years, resale value, vehicle type, price in thousands, engine size, horsepower, wheelbase, width, length, curb weight, fuel capacity, fuel efficiency, latest launch, power, perfect factor. Let me see next. Packages. What are the packages we have to use in this data set, in this project? See, use of packages helps importing any modules individually or whole while importing a packages or sub packages or modules. Python searches the whole tree of directories looking for the particular package and proceeds systematically as programmed by the dot operator. For example, pandas, numpy, seaborn, matplotlib, scipy, etc. Let me see data processing. How to process the data? Data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is a data mining technique that involves transforming raw data into an understandable format. For example, here I taken raw data here. See here, I want to clean the data. Integration. This is cleaning the data. We are calling it integration. See, next is this is cleaned data. Here we are observing that this is cleaned data. Here next is selection, transformation. See, one data to another data. For example, into float, float to into, like this transformation will be there. Next is prepared data. See, all the clean data here we prepared. Okay, next we want to do data mining. See, we'll compare the data whether which is according to that, which is a comparing is correct, which way is comparing is correct. So here we are mining the data. Next is evaluation, which is highest, which is lowest, which is 0. Like that we are evaluating with the graphically, pictographically. So this is the knowledge we will get. See, whether which is highest, which is lowest, we can get the knowledge. Let me see, this is the topic, very important, exploratory data analysis EDA topic. See, let me see introduction of EDA. Exploratory data analysis is a process of examining or understanding the data and extracting insights or main characteristics of the data. EDA is generally classified into two methods: The one is graphically analysis and non-graphically analysis. EDA is very essential because it is a good practice to first understanding the problem statement and the various relationships between the data features before getting your hands dirty. Let me see what is exploratory data analysis. What are the techniques are there? What are the technologies are there? Technically, the primary motive of EDA is to examine the data distribution. Second thing is handling missing values of the data set. Second thing is handling missing values of the data set. A most common issue with every data set. This is the most common issue in the every data set, handling the outliers. This is also one of the important topic, outliers, handling outliers, removing duplicate data, encoding the categorical variables, normalizing and scaling. See, shortly I am showing this image. This is our data set. Okay, this is our data here sorted. See, color wise we sorted here. Next thing is arranged. We arranged color wise, we arranged. Next, we are presenting the data pictographically. Here presented visualization. Okay, here we can analyze which color is highest. See, red and yellow is highest. Lowest is here black. Like this we can analyze the data. Let me see. First one is engine size versus price in thousands analysis. We'll analyze first engine size and price in thousands. Here in the x-axis I taken price in thousand. In the x-axis engine size, y-axis price in thousand. Okay. See, if we increase engine size, similarly it is increasing price also. So we can say, we can conclude, how we can conclude, if we increase engine size, okay, then price also increased. So we can analyze that, engine size is directly proportional to price in thousand. Let me see next, manufacturer versus horsepower analysis. This is manufacturer and horsepower analysis. See, in the x-axis I taken manufacturer and horsepower I taken y-axis. Okay, here which is the highest manufacturer? See, this is this Audi. Audi is the highest horsepower manufacturer. See, we can conclude that, we analyze that manufacturer Audi has the highest horsepower. Next, Chevrolet has the least horsepower. Here we can observe, this is Chevrolet is the lowest, least horsepower. Next, which model cars is highest count? See, in this graph we can analyze that highest length of the models are more countable. See, here orange color length, where orange color is length. See, most color is it is visible orange color. So we can conclude that highest length of the models are more countable. Let me see length versus horsepower analysis. See, here also we analyze that most of the attributes length is directly proportional to horsepower. See, if we increased length, horsepower also increased. So we can conclude that length is directly proportional to horsepower. Next is correlation between engine size and sales in thousands. See, here in the x-axis I taken engine size, y-axis sales in thousand. Okay, here also we can observe that most probably all the engine sizes, if we increase, sales in thousand also increased. So finally we can analyze that engine size between 2 to 5 more sales are there. Let me see density of car prices. See here we analyze that highest density of the price is 20,000. See here we can observe that in the place of 20,000, highest density is here for more than 4.0. Next is creating histogram for continuous numerical variables. Creating histogram for continuous numerical variables. See here we can observe that here highest continuous. See here we can analyze that highest horsepower counts. Counting numerical variable. Okay, we can analyze that highest horsepower count is 150, least horsepower is 350 and 450. See, we can say here, here 50, 50, 100. 50, 50 we are taken in the place of 150, highest horsepower counting is there. Let me see engine size and price in thousands analyzes the line plot. This is line plot. See, we analyze that engine size is directly proportional to the price in thousand. See here, if we increase the engine size, similarly here price also increased. So we can conclude that engine size is directly proportional to the price in thousands. Let me see counting it by its category. What is category I taken? Manufacturer category I taken. So if we observe that here manufacturer category I taken, we analyze the highest make distributions manufacturers are Dodge and Forge. Here we can observe that in the place of this Dodge and Forge is the highest manufacturer distribution. Least is Infinity and Jaguar. Here least is Infinity and Jaguar. Next is histogram analysis. See, this is very important topic. See, what we done in the previous, that everything we can done in this only one code, we can analyze all the objects at a time. See here, I taken sales in thousands, engines in size, every objects we can analyze within one graph. Next thing is yes, correlation with price in thousands. See here, price in thousands, I taken only one object. I am comparing other all objects. See here, price in thousand, sales in thousand. Here similarly we can say that price in thousand and year sales in value. Price in thousand, next price in thousands. Next is price in thousand and engine. See, all the objects we can compare one object at a time. So like this, we can analyze correlation with price any object. Next, significant correlation one plot. This is customized heat map. This is very important. We can analyze all the topics. See, we can analyze significant correlation with price in thousands in one plot at a time. See here in the first column, highest significant correlation is 1. See, we can say here, this is highest correlation. Next is lowest correlation is -1. See, in this line, highest correlation is 1. Lowest correlation we can say minus values. See here, all yellow color values are highest correlation. Okay, all purple color values are lowest correlation. Like this we can conclude at a time. Let me see another example. Okay, correlation between variables. All the variables we can here compare we can analyze correlation between variables at a time. See, what are the variables out there in our data set? We can conclude in one graph. Next thing is actionable insights. What are the actions we have to take? What is insights in data analytics? Data insights refers to the deep understanding an individual or organization gains from analyzing information on a particular issues. How can I make my core sales stand out? Learn names and remember them. First, you should learn the names. Next, answer questions and showcase your knowledge. Okay, what are the things we are appear in the Google that we should show question all the questions answer properly. Know what customers want and show them what they need the customers. So we want to show properly our image. Next, patience in a virtue. Okay, check in after the deal in done. Okay, take charge of your online marketing. Differentiate yourself in core sales with video. Next is, how do you market a car? Build trust with customer reviews. Actively manage your negative keywords list. Okay, actively manage your negative keywords. Adjust your campaign budget based on car buying trends. Target the right people with your automotive campaigns. What is the best marketing strategy? Educate with your content. Personalize your marketing messages. Let data drive your creative. Invest in original research. Update your content. Use more videos. How do you attract customers? Offer new customers discount and promotions. Ask for referrals. Recontact old customers. Network. Update your website. Partner with complementary businesses. Promote your expertise. Take advantage of online ratings and review sites. What are actionable insights examples? Web analytics. Marketers use web analytics such as Google Analytics as a primary means for deriving actionable insights. Marketing attribution, medical diagnosis and artificial intelligence. Insights from business data use artificial intelligence. Okay, this all the things we should follow while explaining with the customer. Okay, thank you.